Let's get you the latest when it comes to the Air India plane crash and the reporter. This is the global pilots body calling for factual probe. Cautions against hasty conclusions. This is after Indian pilots body rejected that very report. We have my colleague Tanushka getting us all the details of the International Federation of Airline Pilots Association urging the public to exercise restraint regarding that initial report that has been made public. Tanushka, well, the global pilots body has gone on to say that this preliminary report raises many questions. It really does not provide the answers.
Right, Divya, what essentially the global pilots, body at this point is trying to say is that it would be premature to draw any sort of conclusions based on a preliminary report. This is something that, we have also been saying that a prelim report provides the facts of the case and not the conclusions of the case. And this International Federation of Airline Pilots Association says and cautions against hasty conclusions published by, various platforms at this point to not jump to any sort of conclusions with respect to what happened exactly in the AI-171 crash. As a reminder, the statement from the Global Pilots Association says that a prelim report merely means that this is a communication used for prompt dissemination of data obtained during early stages of the investigation, which is what we also know that this is basically the decoding of the black boxes that were retrieved from the flight, and that only contains factual information and an indication of the progress of the investigation. This is not the final report. But the Global Pilots Association, this body also brings to note the questions of that, the preliminary report in its very nature raises many questions and does not provide answers to all of them. And any extrapolation of its content can only be regarded as guesswork, which is not helpful for the conduct of the investigation. This is something that the Ministry of Civil Aviation has also maintained. Right. The AIB, which released this report and which conducted the investigation, has also stood by that this is just a prelim report. We have to await the final report to draw any sort of conclusions.
Right, we're talking about this really comes on the heels of, the pilots body rejecting that report to begin with, because of, the assumptions that were being made in regard to the conclusion. And of course, this really highlights that this does not offer any sort of conclusion. It only is offering findings as per that very initial report. And, the investigation is going to carry on, Tanushka.
Right. So the, Pilots Association of India, the Indian body has rejected the preliminary report. They say they believe that the report should have ordered and accounted for more transparency and accountability as well. The Indian pilots body, and we spoke to the president of the association as well, Captain Sam Thomas. They are also looking forward, or rather, trying to look into options of a judicial intervention as well. This is what the pilot community in our country also feels at large at this point, to ask for a judicial intervention, or at least involving line pilots as mere observers in the investigation process is one of their demands. However, this statement that we've just gotten from the International Global Airline Pilots Association just talks about how it would be wrong and premature to draw any conclusions with respect to any narratives about, say, pilot fault with respect to this crash. This is something that has also been doing the rounds in terms of speculation as the major reason behind the crash. But for now, we must stick to the prelim report from AIB, which says that, the only thing that we can conclude from the report is that the fuel was cut off to the engines. Now, how did that happen? How could that have possibly happened? Is what a final report will offer us more clarity on.
Right. Thank you so much, Tanushka, for getting us those details.